guys, so recently the Body Shop sent me over some of their like little Christmas gifts that are available, which first of all is so exciting because like I love the Body Shop. I've loved them for so long, so the fact that they're sending me some products is just like, oh, my heart, my like, you know, younger me would be so proud, and current me is also very proud, and yeah, I'm very grateful. So thank you so much to the Body Shop. But I thought it'd be fun to show you some of the Christmas gifts that you can buy. The Body Shop comes in clutch for me every year with their Christmas gifts because I feel like they're really nice and like they're pretty reasonably priced. And yeah, I feel like they're a really nice gift. I love to give them, love to receive them. So let's see. So yeah, this showed up at my work and I had no idea. This is a little bag that comes in. It's very cute. So let's start going through them. So the first one we have here is this little cracker. So cute. So this is the hand and lip duo. So in this one, we get the Swipe It Moisturizing Lip Balm, and we also get the strawberry hand cream. I don't really want to like, I'm going to try and like show you like destroying it because I want to pass them, some of them on as gifts. So yeah, the first thing that we get in here is the strawberry hand cream. Looks like this, love that. And then we also get one of the little Swipe It Moisturizing Lip Balms, also in the strawberry scent. So I feel like that's a really nice little gift. I feel like, you know, super cute, especially for someone that loves the strawberry scent. The next one we have in here is the little, this is called Nourish and Flourish Almond Milk Duo. So I love the packaging. I think it's so nice, but so I've got this little one here. Obviously it's in the almond milk scent. I want to try and open it, but I also don't want to destroy it. Oh, I'm gonna leave it, I'm sorry. Anyway, so in this one we get the shower cream and we also get the body butter. So we get a 60ml one of the shower cream and we get a 50ml one of the body butter. I actually love the almond milk scent. I think it's really, really nice. So I feel like that's a nice little, you know, shower duo. Very sweet. Next they sent me over this little pouch. How cute is this? I love it. It feels honestly like it's kind of made out of like stiff paper or something. I don't know. It's really cool and like unique, but I really love it. But this is the little mango one. So first we get the little mango hand balm. Super cute. Absolutely love the mango scent. Then we have a little one of the mango shower gels. Once again, this is a 60ml. And then the last thing you get in here is the mango body butter, which is also another 50ml one. So yeah, I just feel like that's such a nice little set. And I think the bag is so cute as well. I just love that. Next we have this little bauble, which, oh, it's gonna fall apart. It's okay, I'm gonna save it. So I'm not gonna be able to undo this one because I know that I'm not gonna be able to put it back together. But this one has the mango body butter and it also has a mango lip balm in it. So I feel like that'd be a really nice set in there. The mango lip butter is 10ml and the mango body butter is 50ml. And this is called the Mini Butter Bauble Gift. So cute. Is that not like such a cute little gift? I actually love that. And then the last gift that they sent over was this one. So this is the Discover Your Glow Vitamin C Skincare Set. Super cute. And then you open it up. So yeah, looks like this. So first we have one of these things. Is this a gosha? I can't say it, but you know the thing where you know, move it all around. You guys know the go. I just can't pronounce it. But it does not want to stay in place. Okay, anyway, we got one of those. Then we also get the Daily Glow Cleansing Polish. So it says that this is enriched with camu berry extract. It says illuminate and resurface. Gently buff away dead skin cells with dual exfoliation, combining jojoba, microbeads, and perlite derived from volcanic glass. So that sounds so nice and it looks really, really nice. I'm very excited to try that out. We also get the Vitamin C Glow Revealing Serum. That sounds really nice. It says illuminate and even. Helps reduce the appearance of uneven skin tone and texture, enriched with 10% natural origin vitamin C, our highest concentration. So I feel like that sounds really nice as well. And the last thing we get in here is the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. Moisturize daily to leave skin looking more radiant with 24-hour hydration. So yeah, I feel like that looks so nice as well. So I feel like they're just not such nice sets. Like I love a good gift set. Anyway, let's get into pricing. Let's see how much these bad boys go for. I want to also clear up that this video is not sponsored Body Shop, if you want to sponsor me, reach out. But I just thought that I'm very grateful that they sent these over, and I thought it'd be nice to share with you guys. Obviously Christmas is coming up, and yeah, it's like, I like to know, like, I feel like it's nice to get like Christmas gift ideas and stuff. And yeah, I thought these were lovely, so let's have a look. So for the Nourish and Flourish duo, this is $16. I just want to see if they've got like a value, or if like it's cheaper in the gift set, because I feel like typically like gift sets are meant to be like, you put them together so they're a little bit cheaper, you know? Okay, I can't see like a value. I'm gonna figure it out for myself. I'm not gonna lie, I can't find like the 50ml body butters on the actual website, so I don't know if there is a value, like a, you know, higher value or whatever. But anyway, $16 for that one. Then this is called the little Nourish and Flourish gift bag, and you can get them in a different scents. It's the same with the Nourish and Flourish like duo thing. And it says that these are 50% off with any purchase. So they retail for $25, and you can get them at 50% off if you buy any other purchase. What else do we have? So the little novelty hand and lip duo crackers, these are $25 as well. So that's the one with the hand cream and the little lip balm. The novelty mini bauble is also, sorry, not also, this one is $20. And this is the one that comes with the little, like either the lip balm and the lip balm and the body butter. And then this one, this is the Discover Your Glow Vitamin C Skincare Set. This is $110. This one here. So I think that was everything that we got, was it? Yeah. So yeah, obviously a nice range of prices there, a nice range of products. Yeah, once again, thank you so much to The Body Shop for sending these over. I do love buying these every year. I think they're really nice. I love to give them as gifts. But yeah, let me know down below what you thought. Let me know if you're planning on picking any of these up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.